Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is 25th December, Christmas Day, and I wanted to shoot what all I did in that day. And as you can see in the first clipping, that's my budget friendly Christmas. That's all the good thing I can do. I wanted to buy one for myself this year, but I was not able to find a good one on Amazon. But I have made a promise for myself that next year I will buy a Christmas tree. Now, with that being said, let's get started with the day. So, I'm having my coffee after I woke up. I did not wake up early in the morning that day. It was a late night work for me because I'm working on launching my own journal digital product this year, like I did last year too. And I had to work all night. So I woke up around 8ish 9:30ish that day, and I started by having coffee and I started making my to-do list for the day. As you can see, I have been using Toggle Track and Todoist app to track my time and to set my to-do list. I also use notepad, pen and paper for setting my goals, but apart from that, at times I use Todoist. I use a mix of both. So today the major tasks for me are I have three New Year goal setting one-on-one calls with me lined up. So I have opened recently. I opened the slots for one-on-one calls with me. These are New Year goal setting calls, and in this call you can join with me and I will be helping you setting your goals the right way, planning them the right way, setting your right morning and evening routine, setting your right habits, and along with monthly review workbook. We'll also be starting the session by reflecting and reviewing 2021. So that's the one-on-one New Year goal setting session, and I have opened the slots on 24th of December. So many slots booked on the day itself, and I have calls today. So before I start with my day, I always prefer starting by reading at least for 15 to 10 minutes, how much ever I can. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Today I'm not reading any new chapter, just going to refresh through some of the chapters I have already read. So after I read and after I complete any task, I will go back to my timer, the toggle track, and I will start to start the timer, and I will end the timer. As you can see here, after the task is completed, I will give the description of the task and then I will end it. So before I get back on the call, I am having my breakfast, and as you can see, three calls are lined up, and this is the first call I have for the day. So she's Reshmi, and I'm having a one-on-one personal productivity coaching call with her. This is not New Year goal setting session, but she has opted for my 1 month coaching program, which is basically only for personal productivity coaching. So this time we were setting some goals, and after the call, I'm just all set for what's Christmas Day without some plum cake, right? So that's exactly what I'm doing, watching Steffi's video and enjoying my cake. This is the little break time that I get in between. I just love her videos on this kid, just for the information. Now, after I peacefully enjoy my break, it would be time for me to start with the work again. So as so many people were starting to inquire about the calls, I had to spend some time to do all that admin kind of task. So I was replying to their messages, booking the slot, seeing the availability, creating Zoom links and sending it. Once I reply back to their DMs and book the call slots, generate Zoom links for the meeting and mark it on my Google Calendar, as you can see. After doing that, I wanted to create some Christmas wish so that I can upload it on my Instagram page. So that's what I'm doing right now. Designing is one thing I love. I'm not so good at it, but I like doing it because I can improve and I can see the improvement on a daily basis. So that's something I really like doing. I'm a studious person in general, so I like doing anything where I can learn and improve myself. And after that part is done, I have to send invoices to people. Once the time slot is all booked and everything, I have to collect their email IDs, mark the time slot, everything, and I have to send invoices to them so they can make the payment. Once the invoice payment is done, then I will be generating the Zoom link, and the generated Zoom links I will be sending it to them via email. So that is another admin task. So most of these are the back-end tasks which we have to do when we are launching anything. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm saving all the invoices to its respective folders, and I'm attaching the invoices and sending it. So as you can see, one more slot got booked so today. So totally I have 4 slots, and I'm just going to take a break in between, help my dad in making some vegetable biryani for lunch. It's basically the same similar recipe. All the masala items go in with green chilies, onion, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, and adding all the vegetable that we have on that day with coriander and pudina leaves, adding some masalas, ghee, red chili powder, curd, and adding the basmati rice finally to it, and closing the cooker so that the magic can happen on its own. And tada, the biryani is ready. I'm just going to enjoy it right now. After which, I have to prepare for my calls. And the first New Year goal setting session was with Vinda, and it happened. So I was not able to record the entire, that's not possible. So I recorded wherever I can. And we started setting our goals and planning it for her. I was not able to record the third New Year goal setting session that I had because my mobile phone battery was dead. So this is the second session I had. I got just 10-15 minutes of break in between. So in that time I grabbed a cup of coffee, did the work, and then started with the meeting again. So this meeting I'm having with Aruna, and she's showing me her to-do list, the way she makes it, and I identify the problem she has, the mistake she has been doing, and we are working on how to rectify that mistake so that she can plan better and she can rock her 2022. And once that is done, after so long, I ordered pizza so that myself and my brother can enjoy it for the day. It's very well deserved cheat meal for the day. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, comment your favorite part, and share the video with your friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload my video. See you guys next week. Thank you. Bye bye.